Hello there, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and welcome back for another video. I am filming this on Thursday, May 5th, 2022. It's National Day of Prayer, and I made this free printable to help guide you through some prayer prompts throughout the day. And even if you're watching this video after National Day of Prayer, I'd still encourage you to download this and make a prayer journal and lift up all these things in prayer. Prayer is so important, and it's how we talk to God. It is such a beautiful gift that He has given us, and it's so important to pray. So the prayer guide starts with a prayer for the world, then prayers for the United States, prayer for your city, prayer for your church, and ending the day with personal prayers for yourself. And of course, if you don't live in the United States, you can use these prompts to pray for your own country or lift up the U.S. The United States needs a lot of prayer. I have a couple Bible verses and then also this pattern paper, which I'm going to use to make the cover of my prayer journal. I made a coordinating printable in my Etsy shop that matches and goes along with it. So it has 6 pages. So you get a page full of prayer prompts and my hand lettering. I love this page with the different prayer journals and some pretty mugs and some different, again, kind of prayer guides. There are a page of beautiful tabs, a couple decorative pages. So those are really pretty for decorating your prayer journaling pages. And then also this page with a few spots to write prayers, and then these 2 little phrases. My darkest season, you Lord carried me. Love that, especially in regards to prayer, and then pray without ceasing. And these also all match my Creative Faith Gratitude and Prayer Journal. I made one of these in the fall, I made a Christmas one, and then this one is in this pretty pink and gray color scheme that could be used year round. And I have been using mine a lot. The front 30 days, or front 30 pages you can use for 30 days is a gratitude journal. It shows and walks through how to use it, and there's a bunch of gratitude journaling prompts, and I have been using mine a lot lately for lots of gratitude journaling. And then the second half is a prayer journal. And again, it walks you through how to prayer journal. It has lots of prayer journaling prompts. And I have been using it for a lot of prayer journaling pages lately. I really love prayer journaling and gratitude journaling. And then there's a spot in the back for answered prayers. So I will have this linked below on Amazon if you want to pick this up. I will have this printable linked below on my Etsy shop if you want to pick this up. And then this I will have linked below on a blog post on my website. So again, this is free, this is paid for, and this you can get on Amazon. So I am going to now use these elements to set up a prayer journal, and so I'll kind of walk through the process of doing that. Okay, so to get started, I am going to use this as my base, as my cover. So I'm just going to fold that in half, and so that will be my cover. And then I just have plain white printer paper here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 different prompts. And so I'm just gonna take plain white printer paper. I'm sure everyone has this in their home. And I did print this main element for the cover on cardstock, but you definitely do not have to. So I'm just folding up some of these, and this will be the main part of my prayer journal. I'll just nestle one inside the other. So I'm going to put the main list on the inside page. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's perfect. So I just took 4 pieces of white paper. And then to end, I decorated it using the printables, the free ones, and the ones in my Etsy shop. I wrote all the prompts, and of course added washi tape to finish it off.